A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You ever hear the Jamaican saying yet? We say, "Kak mout kill kak." You know what it mean? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you know, subscribe to the channel yet, where you wait, Penny? Just click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 14 from verse 27 to verse 31. Jesus said to him, follower them, say, all I want to go and turn on back upon me, because it right down in a God word say, me I go lick down the shepherd, and the sheep them I go run all about the place. But after me come back alive, me I go in a Galilee before you know. Peter said to him, say, even if the whole of them run away, me nah go nowhere. Jesus said to him, say, may I tell you this, and I true me attack. Before the rooster crow 2 times, that said night, you are going to say you don't know me 3 times. But Peter hold on upon what him say, and still say, I left them have to kill me with you. Me will never say, me don't know you. And all of them say the same thing. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.